Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be making a polymer clay mug. As usual, I'll be putting all the material details used in this video in the description box below. And if you still get any doubts regarding that, feel free to comment on the video. I'll be happy to help. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Akanksha. I'm a professional artist and I make customized handmade gifts for all occasions. And I love to share my artwork with all of you on my Facebook and Instagram pages, White Musk Crafts. So please do follow them. This mug was also designed for a couple. This adorable mug was made for a mom-to-be. I have actually put even the process photos of this one also on my Facebook and Instagram, so you can check them if you would like to. So if you want to order or buy something from me or just say hi to me, please feel free to connect me on Instagram and Facebook. So I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section. And that's how this piece looked in the end. And last but not the least, please support my channel by subscribing to it, clicking on the bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever I upload a video in future. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you.